Come on now.
Damn you, Gypsy. Is that, oh, I just saw a white spot all of a sudden and was like, what?
little bit. Right, look good.
Look good. You got a little bit of that left that we could dab. I got a spot under here that could use some dabbles.
Where?
I don't think we'd want to paint it because it's a shit spot in there.
Like you want to touch it, you mean?
Yeah.
Then don't mess with it. We'll do it afterwards.
Yeah. No, it's down on the frame well when it rusted.
When you pulled that up, it flipped that paper up, and I was like, oh god, don't hit my wet paint.
No, I wasn't gonna do that. It's the top of the frame rail where the seam comes together. It rusted.
Okay.
I cleaned it off, but
Right.
I figured I'd take a little acid brush and dabbed it. You can really see it in the camera.
What?
The way the blend and everything works, so where we didn't hard line it there, like where it fades off.
Here?
Yeah, like right here. Like if you look through it, so you can really catch it.
Oh yeah.
Looks. I mean, and the blend looks really good everywhere too.
Good.
You can really see it with the camera.
That's just great news.
Yeah, you know, she's photogenic, so she's gotta look good in the
Yeah, absolutely.
priorities and whatnot.
You just gotta cut and buff it, and then it's done. Yeah.
So what you're saying is, you're just gonna send it.
I mean, yeah. In the words of Mr. Enticer, yes. So, what do you think? Looks good. I checked the picture.
I mean, it looks about right.
Yeah. And I got this side taped up too. With this one little line. I got this one little line taped up. So
Oh, it looks so good.
Same thing. I referenced the picture and just went. A lot of heavy hitting going on that side.
Yeah, you're definitely making your money over there. Over here, it's the freebie, right?
Yep.
Are you gonna cut that out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Instead of using 15 pieces of paper.
Yeah, no.
You know what I mean?
I had to think about that with my brain for a second.
I said, wait a minute.
What is he doing? That's crazy. He's a madman.
Jump around the bike. I've taped up so many cars in my lifetime
Oh, that.
that like at this point in my life, it doesn't matter how hard I even tried to forget. As soon as I pick up a roll of tape, I'm like, there it is. There it is. You didn't even notice my little soft edge over there on that side, did you? My little tape trick
Yeah.
that nobody can do.
Huh.
I got a machine for it, but I have a finger for it
What would this be?
on the inside of that fender, so it doesn't leave a hard line. The little rolled edge. They make a
Look
machine.
at you.
They make a machine that you pull and it folds it for you. But I don't need a machine. I can do it super fast.
You are the machine.
I just take it like that and
We should do big things.
Tape trick.
Let's go.
Stop it, Joe.
That's going in Dirty Mike's step tips.
Dirty Mike's step tips. You take your finger real good, right? You hold just enough pressure.
Yo, I'm not kidding you. I'm gonna make that video.
Good, I hope so.
It might not be for a year or so from now.
Yeah,
one day.
When it comes out, it'll be good.
One day you're gonna get tagged in Facebook.
What the fuck?
Start blowing up. You should probably go home and try and secure the Dirty Mike YouTube channel.
Ahead of time?
I have a feeling that it's already been.
It'd be like Diamond Dave's karate dojo.
Something, yeah.
Don't go around tape tricking. Nobody doesn't need tape tricking.
Yeah?
I like it.
Send it.
Probably better than it was.
Well, that depends on what exact time you're talking. Point in time you're talking.
Before I got here.
Oh, well then yeah, that doesn't take much. I mean, realistically, some bright colored bubble gum would have been better than what I had going on before you got here.
Yeah. Look, I just want to hear your best to be proud of me, okay?
Let's see. He's gonna want royalties for this.
You want what?
Royalties?
Oh. Sure looks good to me. Is this probably good from your house in Oregon?
Yeah. The only reason you can tell it's different right now is because one's lighter. Hey, there's the fine line.
I found it.
You know, because the one's got the new paint's brighter. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's got
Well,
the dull and the clear.
That's what I said. Once I clear it, it'll all be all the black.
Like in the lens here, you can kind of tell it's a little it's darker. It looks.
Yeah.
But like I said, I think what we were saying was that the clear will make it do what it's supposed to do. Easy now.
That makes me happy.
So after you clear this, I should probably just let it be until, like, you don't touch shit until tomorrow sometime.
Yeah.
Should I leave the doors open or close everything up?
You can close everything up. We ain't gonna hurt it. Biggest thing is turn the lights off and then close everything up.
Oh, yeah.
That way the bugs don't hibernate up in Shelby.
Yo, in the camera it looks so good. Yeah, the camera doesn't pick up any orange peel or anything.
I'm surprised you didn't give me a clear video of me clear cutting it like outside.
I was worried about the camera.
Yeah.
Listen, I'm not making that big YouTube money. I can't afford to lose cameras.
I bet you. I know. What model is that?
This is just M50, Canon M50.